feel. Yeah. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So hopefully this doesn't get blocked. So this is an Atif Aslam song. It's been a while since I reacted to him. He's one of my favorite singers. I literally love his voice so much, so much. But this is called Kadi and it's by VELO Sound Station. I've never reacted to them before, so I don't know if they'll be forgiven. But if for whatever reason I upload and it gets blocked, and so I have to, you know, cut it into pieces and upload like 2 minutes worth of 4:44 minutes, then we gotta do what we gotta do. But this was suggested, somebody let me know about this, and so I'm interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, Atif Aslam, Kadi. Let's go. Oh, okay, I like that suit, it's fun. It's like sparkly. Oh, it's a disco vibe. His voice though. He looks good. Oh, I miss his voice so much. Oh, yo, it's a vibe. Yes, girly. That's how I feel. Yeah. He looks like he's having fun. I don't think I've ever seen him like. Ooh. The English subs is not working, by the way. Oh, yes, that little beat. This kind of grows on you. I just love how much fun he's having. I like the beat. The guy in the orange suit, he's living his best life. Yes, guitar solo, honey. Oh, yo, look at his shoes. Ah, I'm living. Vocal visuals, honey. Yo, this is like that laid back beat, you just vibing. Like you just, you know, you just let the music take you. Look at that guy. He's living his best life. This was literally so fun and just a vibe. Atif looked like he was having fun. His suits, his disco, it had that disco laid back vibe. I mean, he was dancing, he was vibing. The crowd was also vibing. This is the type of music that you just like, you just close your eyes and you feel it, you know? Just let it go. Like, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be like a slow love song, but I low-key like this vibe as well. I feel like this is like fun. Like it grows on you. Like you know what I mean? Like it just had that vibe that I liked. And his voice is always so good. I missed him. I did miss him. I did miss him. I did miss him. I missed his voice and I missed his vibe. Thank you so much for letting me know that this was out. Whoever suggested this, thank you. It's a vibe. I liked it. Kadi, let me know what you guys think. It's not really, it's different from an Atif song, but I kind of like it. I really think it's fun, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. It's been a while, but I've missed Atif. It's good to, you know, hear his voice again. And I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at thatVickyGirl. And until next time, bye.